name's Justin. I'm an airplane nut engineer. Come along with us on any of our adventures and around the Pacific Northwest. Right. Ride safe. Oh. All right. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. What's that?
It's got good flow. It looks like it's just straight off.
It looks like everything seems to flow pretty well.
Yeah, and these gaps we haven't seen before.
Right. They're just intimidating the first time you see them.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh. Oh my God. Okay, that one's a little more than my cojones can handle.
And I mean, it's not. It
It's
really
not
isn't
what?
huge. It just looks fucking huge when there's a gap that huge.
And the fact that it's huge.
Yeah.
The fact that it's huge is the huge part.
of a biscuit.